We should be back live right now. Welcome back, guys, to another session here. So overall, the market is not really reacting on the news, and that's why I'm getting a little bit late here. Not late. I've been looking at the market, looking at news for the past 30 minutes. But you could see here, PPI, core PPI, CPI came in better than expected. The market should rally and they should lower the rates. Like, this is actually very great. They should push the market. I don't know why they're not pushing the market. I'm gonna go look for a quick long here. But again, we want to buy in low and we want to sell at high. That's the deal. That's the focus. And how do we do that? By not hoping and predicting, by reacting quick. So we need to react. We need to focus on what's in our control. In and out very quick. So I'm looking for a long. Around 424. Nasdaq is always very crazy. Nasdaq can sell off, and I know that. These charts is not annoying me, it's just sometimes it's a little hard to see what's going on, and when you're getting in, it's like it's just doing the wrong direction. So we should not going in the wrong direction. Right now it's pointing down, but there is some support here, and that's the risk you're taking. So do not buy in at support, wait for it to confirm. This is like consolidation, right? Let's see here. The market is weak, but there might be a pushback. I'll go in for a quick long. I'll take it back to maybe 500 if I can get a long around 430 or 435. So that's what you want to be doing. You want to be going long here at 430 and take it back to 475, but it could be a risky move. You just have to be a little careful here, guys. I'm gonna go in for a long. I'm buying it here. It's currently trading at 450, but I want to see if I could get 4. So I'm buying it here. It's currently trading at 4. Let's see here. Nope. It looks like a long to me. Looks like a long to me, but it could sell off. So once I go in, it could sell off. I'm just buying it here. It's very quick scalp. Let's see here. Let's see if this is gonna sell off. Wow, good stopped out. Insane. First trade and a loss. No worries, everything is fine. That's what I'm saying. You have to be quick and going with the right direction. I didn't even open position and then I'm out. I will re-enter my long here. I'm buying it here. It's currently trading at 27. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get back to here. It's a risky play. Let's see if we're gonna hold around 400 and then push back. I went for a long again. It could go against me, and I'm aware of that risk. selling off. The DAX sold off also. Support at 400. Highs at 800. I know it could sell off. I'm not super sure if it's going to sell all the way back. It might stop around 300, but let's see here. The information that we just got was very good, but it could get rejected and then sell off. So support might be around where I have my stop loss. I like to add to it if it's going to go up. This is currently where we have. I think there's going to be a lot of orders coming in here. I think people, they want to buy it here. So what's the downside? I see a downside back to 350. So it might sell off 65 points more, and then it could rally. But let's see here. Break below 400. I think it's going to come back now. Let's see here. What's the risk? It could also sell back to 19,156. The trend is pointing down. But once we have a reaction down, we're always getting a reaction back. Wow, so the direction is down, but my target still remains at highs, but it's going to be a quick scalp. This have to hold now, else I will get stepped out. How much I'm willing to risk? I will say 20,000 on this one here is fine. Wow, big push. I'll go in here long again. Let's see here if it's going to come back quick. Wow. Big push. I'll just exit some of it here. Let's see. So they just took all the stop losses out. They took all the stop losses out. They took all the long position out. So they're trying to push the market lower. But let's see if they're going to fail to do that. Yeah, so this is always like noise, but the risk reward is kind of like interesting right now. So yes, they will try to sell it below 400. Will it really break below based on these news, based on this reaction? I have a feeling it's going to stop around 250 and then push back, but it could also just be a sell-off day. We don't have to be bullish today. We could be short. We passed 15 minutes. We passed 20 minutes. For me, it's a long. I like to go long on this one here. Let's see. It could also sell off, and I have to respect that. Wow, lots of selling pressure. These charts is triggered. Lots of selling pressure. But DAX is not really reacting. It's still holding some support, and Nasdaq is just selling off. Wow. Moving stop loss to 230. I'll add to this long position soon. I'm going currently against the trend, and it's not really smart. It's insane. Okay, they really want to push the market lower. Then let's see if they're gonna push it. I like to go long. Wow. For no reason. So they went below here. We might see a reaction back. I'm gonna go long here at 310. I'm gonna go long here. I'm currently buying it here. I'm buying in. Let's see here if it's gonna push it back. We could see a reaction. Did I get stopped out or did I just get hit my profit? Okay, they just closed for my profit, okay. Let's see here. Let's see if it's gonna hold or break below. It's very tricky. I'm gonna go in for a quick long here. I'm buying it. It's currently trading at 22. It's very risky. Do not copy. Let's see here. We'll exit here. Again, these charts is playing with me. Every time something goes wrong, these charts is playing with me. Support here, resistance here. Still think that they're gonna push the market back, but let's see. Let's see if we get a rejection here and then sell back again. It looks like a long to me. They're forming a long. I'll go back long here. Buying it here again. Let's see if they're gonna push the market. Wow. I'm gonna exit this one here again. Just wanna make sure that I'm doing. Okay, push is coming. Push is coming. This is a long, okay? But it could sell it back to 300. I just don't see why they should sell the market back that heavily. Like, the news is very good. Yeah, I would say the news is very good. Will they really crash the market? They might. Wow. Insane. For no reason, I'm just going against the market. Completely insane. So we have some support triggered at 300. I have a feeling it should come back later on. I know that I'm going against the trend and this is not super smart. This is very risky that we keep going against the trend. I just don't want to go in on short when it's sold off that much. Again, you are an adult, take responsibility for your own action. I just don't see the big push below 300 and that's why I went in for long. So they might push the market back and that's why I went in for long. Wow. Very tricky. Keep getting rejected here. Wow, it's 325. Will they really push the market again low? And how low will they push it? They could push it down to could push it down to 18,500. Wow, big push. But there is some support here that I see in the market right now. There is some support. They might push the market another 100 points now. So we will make the money from this range. Still long, haven't done anything as you can see. Still long. Gonna get ready for a quick long here. Think there could be a breakout. Let's see here. Exit this one here for 3,000. Very quick long. I'm just long. I only talk long. I only talk long. I only talk long. Okay, just so you're aware. My plan is only long. Okay, just so you're aware. Could be some resistance here. Will this really sell back again? Wow. This is insane. DAX is pushing. They might not be able to move it back to here. I'll go for a quick long here again. Buying it here at 350, very risky, do not copy. Let's see here. They might sell it below. Wow. Gonna exit this one here for 3,300 again. Still have this one left. They could push the market now to 500 or even higher. Still long. Still long, guys. I've only been told you one thing to do. Let's just go for a long, okay? I told you one thing. Go just for a long. I told you one thing, guys. Just go for a long. We might push it back again here. Wow. A lot of volatility. But after 20 minutes, after a reaction down, they're always coming a push up, but I was just in too quick. But I made some money today. I managed to make, okay. Let's see if this is gonna push up above 400. It's very risky. They could sell off the market. Then we can go in for another long. Going in for a quick long here, it's very risky. Wow. Will they really sell off the market again? At 400, that was the new one. Maybe. DAX is also pushing. Let's see. No progress. I'll exit this one here for 3,000. I exit again. I just told you only to do one thing, and that's long. could move my stop loss up. How much did I lost in this one here? So that's 7,000. So I lost 7,000 this one here. Looks like it's getting rejected. Let's see here. Are they really going to sell off the market again? It looks like. Will this sell the market off? Okay, moving stop loss up to here. Moving stop losses. Oh, I'll move stop loss and I'll exit this one here for break even. But let's see if we're going to push above. Moving stop loss up here. Let's see if we're going to push now. Also, we'll exit this one here. Could be tricky. No progress. No progress. Wow. Keep getting rejected. Wow. Will this really sell off again? Wow. Moving take profit up. Let's see here. Well, they pushed the market down now. I think they're going to push it up. You can see the DAX is also pushing. But they sold off. Let's see here. We'll exit this one here for break even. I think that could be the rule. No progress. Wow. Just keep getting rejected. Just keep getting rejected. It's gonna take me out. Let's see here. If it's not gonna push up now, it's gonna take me out. I'm not gonna sit here in the front of the screens like the whole day to wait for it to get to a break even. It should push up now. Let's see here. They want to push up the market, but they want to take out people first. So they're going to take out my stop loss and they push it back. Will this really go back to here? Wow. But I think they're going to move it back to here. Wow. Maybe they will push it back to 350. Yeah, it should come up. Move my stop loss quick down here. I'll add here again. I'm gonna add to this long here. A lot of stop losses got stopped out below this one here, and now they will push it up. So all the stop losses got taken out right there. That's why you see a difference. But it could also sell the market off. Wow, insane. Now the chart is fucking with me again. Like how is even this like even possible? Will they really sell off the market again? I'm gonna add to this long here. At 350, I'll add to the long. Wow. Very weak. No progress. What is Nvidia doing? Pushing back. Apple. It's gonna come up today. It will go up today. Apple is break below. Told you. Move my stop loss back here. It could get rejected. I have a feeling of it could push back a second time, take liquidity here, and then everyone is buying it. So I think it's gonna go to 500. So I will hold a setup like this. I'll publish that in the Discord. Maybe I exit this one here. Let's see here. Let's just exit. I'm out now. Exit the position for profits. Done for today. I made some very decent profits, as you could see. Yeah, I will upload that so you can see it transparent. Thank you for today. I told you we'll come back.